Unboxing the World, the story of shipping containers. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that might seem simple at first glance but is actually a cornerstone of global trade and logistics. Shipping containers. These large, steel boxes are more than just storage units. They are the unsung heroes of international commerce. Let's unpack the story and significance of shipping containers together. A shipping container is a standardized, reusable steel box used for the secure and efficient transport of goods and materials over long distances, whether by land, sea, or air. These containers come in various sizes, but the most common dimensions are 20 feet long, 8 feet wide, and 8.6 feet high, known as a 20-foot equivalent unit, TEU, or 40 feet long, 8 feet wide, and 8.6 feet high, known as a 40-foot equivalent unit, FU. The idea behind the shipping container is to have a uniform size that can easily be stacked, loaded, and unloaded from ships, trucks, and trains, making the shipping process more streamlined and cost-effective. This simplicity and efficiency are why shipping containers are the backbone of global trade today. The concept of shipping containers was introduced in the 1950s by an American trucking entrepreneur named Malcolm McLean. Before containers, goods were manually loaded and unloaded into ships' holds, a time-consuming and labor-intensive process known as break bulk shipping. McLean's innovation drastically reduced cargo handling, significantly cut shipping costs, and decreased shipping times, revolutionizing the transportation and logistics industries. Since their inception, shipping containers have evolved, becoming more durable and secure, with standardized sizes recognized worldwide. This standardization allows for the smooth transfer of containers across different countries and modes of transportation, facilitating international trade on an unprecedented scale. Shipping containers have had a profound impact on the global economy. By reducing the cost of transportation and improving efficiency, they have made goods from around the world more accessible and affordable. This has led to increased trade, economic growth, and the globalization of markets. Furthermore, the use of shipping containers has also improved the security of transported goods, reducing the risk of theft and damage during transit. Their robust design and standardized locks ensure that products reach their destination safely. We hope this video has shed some light on the importance and versatility of shipping containers. These simple steel boxes have transformed how we move goods across the globe, making our world more connected than ever before. Whether you're an aspiring entrepreneur, a curious learner, or someone fascinated by how the world works, understanding the role of shipping containers is key to grasping the bigger picture of global commerce. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more insightful content. See you in the next video.